Hey guys, it's Brian again. I want to go ahead and talk to you about how to clean your oven without using that self-clean mode that ties up your oven for 8 hours and causes your home or apartment to smell really nasty for like 1 to 3 days afterwards. We're going to go ahead and use items that are probably already in your pantry. Alright guys, this is the before picture here of the oven, and pretty dirty. What we're going to use is we got some baking soda. I am using about a 1/4 cup here and a 1/4 cup of water, and I'm mixing here to make like a toothpaste consistency goop here that's going to clean the oven. I did go ahead and actually use a half cup water, 1/2 cup baking soda, just because I needed more. So I went ahead and spread it on here with just a spoon. And I'm actually spreading it out here with the paper towel just to kind of make a film almost over the dirtiest areas of the oven. I've got some white vinegar here. I'm going to put it in the measuring cup, and I'm just going to go ahead and drizzle that over the areas here. First going to do the door. It's going to fizz up a little bit, cause that chemical reaction. And then we'll do the area in the back here. I think it's actually better if you use a spray bottle. If you have like a little spray bottle and you fill it up with white vinegar and spray the areas, you'll probably get a little better coverage that way. So, and now I'm doing the back here. And don't worry if you some drops get back, behind the oven door. You can clean that up later. It's not a big deal. And it'll go ahead and fizz here. We're making sure we get all the areas.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I waited about 10 minutes. Some people can wait, they say 20 to 30 is probably good as well. And some wait 24 hours. I probably wouldn't wait that long. That just seems a while. But it actually, when you're scrubbing it off, you can see here it's you'll get some little black spots on the paper towel, of course. That'll be the gunk coming off right there. But as you're scrubbing it, kind of turn into like little blocks, and you're almost, by abrasive pressure, rubbing off the crud here. And if you've got a lot in there, you'd want to take out the oven element if you need to, or the oven shelf in there. But as you can see, it's looking better here. The glass door I think cleaned probably the best. There was still a few tiny spots, but we could have gone back with that and knocked those out. But I'm just getting the extra elements off here. And there we go. Looks a lot better. I really hope if this helped out, guys, and it brought value to you, that you go ahead and subscribe. And have a great day.